wildin'. Niggas is wildin'. No, turn right here.
Mad traffic, bro. We can't even do nothing.
Fuck, bro.
This guy pissing out of his exhaust. YouTube, that's it.
Tell the niggas, yo, what the fuck is up? You know?
My Supra, bro.
Y'all watch the other videos, you know there's
This guy's just nuts up.
right there, there's another one in there.
Yeah, but that shit ain't gonna work though. I'm trying to figure out another way to separate this shit. This shit won't separate, bro.
It's always gonna be a problem, bro.
Those two things, and then we can get it running today. So if we get it running today, I'll pick up the camera. Like they closed one whole lane on this highway. This highway is called Pulaski. If you were a little bit like, it's like kind of like movies. Oh, it was just too. Hey, I told you, look. Now we're going back the other lane. One way, one lane highway. Like how you rear-end somebody, and the only thing I could think Porsche Carrera, like an old school one, like a 1970 something, man. Is it 1979, 1981, something like that? I'm not good with Porsche years, but it looks like it. Getting close. Oh hell no! It's a young dude, bro. Pound truck just turning with no signals. That's crazy. What are you about to do again? Hold up. Round two. See if it starts now. We have back connection. Hopefully now. Turn off the wipers. Engine. Very fun. You can rev all the way to 9,500 RPM. This car is amazing. Right now, I've been letting it warm up. I'm actually washing clothes, so all my clothes wash, might as well make you guys a video, right? People are looking at me like, wow, amazing, bro. A lot of people say, oh, this is an unreliable car. This car is very reliable. I have a Honda, I still own one, so don't say that I'm talking negative about Honda. Like 15,000 miles and then the car still running strong after you change it, or spark plug. Easier to get than a girl that dresses so fancy, has everything that to keep it, you know? Very high maintenance. Heel toe for you guys. But yeah, anybody's interested in this car, you're in my area, New Jersey area, let me know. Okay, get me locked up.
You'll be fine, bro. It'll be quick. Let's go.
We got at least one outside clip for you guys before I end this video and continue on to the next. Me flying by, you rarely hear this car fly by, bro. Always in. Merry Christmas to everybody. By the time you watch or had a great Christmas, inspect, don't do anything negative, man. Drive to my cousin's house and that's it, bro. Just coming to rules real quick, but till then, stay tuned. The car's not really predictable, you know what I'm saying, when it starts. Look for like hot weather, sticky. Hopefully that's because they really don't drive it like it's supposed, because you're trying to keep it mint. A kid for a while, like for a couple hours, and I fell asleep. So yeah, literally just dropped off now, so I picked up the camera real quick. Done, because every day you should have a list of things you want to do and you just check them out. That's how fixing something off your car, fixing something off your house, getting a house, renting a house or something. It could be anything, small, big, it don't matter as long as you get it done. My Civic, which is my daily, let him borrow it. The reason being, always, we're gonna get some POV for you guys. I might get some outside footage for you guys. Who knows? If it rains later or snows later, because it's supposed to snow this week, definitely gonna be driving this in the snow, the rain. I don't care what it is. Yeah, and nobody really drives this RAARs on Supras. And rarely drive this car, not because I don't want to. It's just that a lot is a lot. I'm probably saving like $1,000 a month on just gas alone with that car. Oh shit, I didn't even do the intro. What's up, y'all? We got the cousin. I didn't even get.
Shit get real hectic.
I seen this car a couple times. I didn't know.
Yeah, nah, it was me. Porno.
Nigga, shit is tucked. Not bad on here. Trying out a new camera.
Yeah, look at you, right?
I called you. Muy frío, bro. 360 miles or 50 miles, something like that, on the tank. Our description.
Going to be
That's 80 miles. That's going straight. No, hold up. It's not fair, bro. Hold up. It's not fair. You gotta look at the cameraman too. Gorgeous motherfucker, yo. Pose for me, man. Pose for me real quick.
Yeah, you heard what he said.
The heat?
Bang.
No, bro, right in my ear. I'm in this motherfucking taxi, yo. Nigga just left the paint shop.
I'm worried about.
Nigga about to throw his lights on, watch. Imagine.
Yo, imagine plot twist.
Nigga block y'all all in. Spin that shit. Go ahead.
Right, it's like 775.
It's only when you stick here. This
Camera's almost dead.